Happy holidays, my friends. Hopefully everyone had a little bit of a break. Got something new for you today, a new brand to show you, CIE, handmade shoes in Shanghai. So this is kind of unique for me. I've not had anything from a Chinese manufacturer yet, so kind of anxious to see their quality compared to some others. You know, some of the more common ones are Spain and Italy, Portugal. So CIE, handmade. Let's check these out. So far the box, very nice. Nice heavy sturdy box. Nice looking shoe bags here. Little shoe horn. Very nice kind of velvety bag here. Let's take a look. Ooh, now that is a beautiful boot. So this is it's a triple monk. Now normally I prefer a double monk, but really in a boot like this, you got to think that the pants are going to cover that top buckle, and so it's going to appear as a double monk really when you're wearing it. I think in a shoe I would not care for a triple monk, but a boot, I think this works perfectly fine. And really it's actually got a zipper on the side too, so that just makes it a little bit quicker to get on and off. Let's pull out the other one here. We'll take a look at these. But so far the finish on them really looks nice. So this is definitely a hand-painted finish. So it's a patina. Let's look at those, if you're able to see that. Really a lot of great depth and detail to the coloring. Nice chisel on the toe. So I will try these out. Hopefully the fit will be true to size, but I think they look fantastic. So far very impressed. So CIE, I'll have a link to their page and I'll be wearing these very soon.